Subscribe our channel Technical King Shivang and press the bell icon to never miss any other update.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technical King Shivang. Today I have a new video for you and the topic of this video is quite trending. I am going to talk today on the Zoom app and I will answer all the questions related to the Zoom app. That what is Zoom app and how to use it and what security measure you should take while using the app. So without wasting our time, let's get started. As the coronavirus pandemic forced millions of people to stay home over the past 2 months, Zoom suddenly became the video meeting service of choice. Daily meeting participants on the platform surged from 10 million in December to 200 million in March and 3 million daily meeting participants in April. With that popularity came Zoom's privacy risk extending rapidly to massive numbers of people. In this lockdown, a lot of schools, coaching and colleges are using Zoom app. Many of you will have the question whether this Zoom app is safe or not, or some may be thinking how we can save our data. So there are many possibilities that your Zoom data can be leaked, or your Zoom app can just extract your all personal data and sell it on the dark web. But you can prevent your data from being leaked. All you have to do is you have to take some precaution. The very first thing I am going to tell you about before telling 10 tricks that can save your data in the Zoom app. First thing is that you should never give storage permission to the Zoom app. Except the microphone permission, you did not have to give any permission to the Zoom app. This will reduce the risk of leaking of your data by 100%. Before telling you 10 tricks, I want to tell you some report. Cybersecurity intelligence firm Cyber discovered that 5 lakh Zoom accounts are being sold on dark web and hacker forums. So my first tip to you for just saving your data is protect your account. A Zoom account is just another account, and in setting yours up, you should apply the basic of account protection. Use a strong and unique password and protect your account with two-factor authentication, which makes your account harder to hack and better protected. So the second tip for you is use your work email to register with Zoom. This is some rumor that many of us are saying that do not use your personal email or work email for Zoom account registration. This is totally a rumor, because if you use your personal or business email for Zoom registration, that will be very safe from using any temporary email. And if you don't have a work email, use a burner account with well-known public domain to keep your personal contact details private. And if you really don't want to share your personal details, use a temporary mail. The link have been given in the description, where you can go and just create your own email, which will be very successful for you. So my third tip for you is don't fall for fake Zoom apps. Try to be away from phishing links and also fake pages. You should always download the Zoom app from official website of Zoom or by Google Play, App Store, or don't fall for it. Use Zoom's official website zoom.us to download Zoom safely for Mac and PC, and go to the App Store or Google Play for your mobile devices. My fourth tip is very important for you, because this is the main reason of data leak. Many hackers just are sitting on your network and they are just waiting that when you will share the link on any social media, and then they will copy the link of your meeting and enter your meeting. So don't use social media to share conference links. Even if your event is truly open to everyone, you should avoid sharing the link on social media. If you know anything about the Zoom app before watching my video, you have probably heard about so-called Zoom bombing. It is a term journalists joke constant coin to describe trolls disputing Zoom meetings with offensive content. It means many people just enter a meeting and share offensive content by unmuting their mic or by sharing the screen. My fifth tip for you is protect every meeting with a password. Setting up a password for your meeting remains the best means of ensuring that only the people you want in meeting can attend it. You should always use a very strong password and never make the meeting password and your Zoom ID password same. Meeting passwords should never appear on social media or other public channels, or your efforts to protect your call from trolls will be in vain. Sixth tip is very important and that may be very useless for some people, but this is very important. Sixth tip is that always enable a waiting room. It makes participant wait in a waiting room until the host approves each one. That gives you the ability to control who joins your meeting in a waiting room until the host approves each one. That gives you the ability to control who joins your meeting, even if someone who wasn't supposed to participate somehow got the password for it. It lets you kick an unwanted person out of the meeting and into the waiting room. So please never forget to enable waiting room. My seventh tip for you is pay attention to screen sharing feature. Letting multiple participants share screen simultaneously. If you can't immediately see why your meeting would need this capability, you will probably never need it. Just keep it in mind in case you ever need to re-enable it. Just always try to off that feature that allows all the participants to share their screen. My eighth tip for you is think about what people can see or hear. This one applies to every video conferencing service, not just Zoom. Before you jump on the call, take a moment to consider what people will see or hear when you join the call. The same holds true for your screen if you plan on sharing it. So before going to our eighth tip, sponsor. In this pandemic situation, as we have shortage of sanitizer, it's good news for you all that Scott Adel brought you a sanitizer. You can contact through this account Everyday Pursuit or DM me. 50% discount and zero contact delivery. Link is in description. Just check it out and also purchase this product. So my eighth tip for you is that always give entry to a signed in user. Means a user who have registered on the Zoom app. So here we have arrived at our last 10 tip, that is don't believe on Zoom's advertised end-to-end encryption. Zoom gained its market share not only for its prices and feature set but also because its touted product end-to-end encryption. With end-to-end encryption, all communications between you and the people you are calling are encrypted in a way that only you and the people on the call can decrypt them. So you should keep it in mind and avoid discussing personal or trade secrets on Zoom. So in this lockdown, if you want to earn 50 to 60,000 rupees just in a month, just go through the link which I have given in the description. Go on that link and just read the way that how you can earn 50 to 60,000 rupees in a month. I've also given the Instagram account link of that person whose program is this. So this is all about the Zoom apps, that how you can prevent your data from leaking and what security measure you should take by using the app. So at last I just want to have a A little investment on your knowledge can make you earn very much rupees. So just go through the link.